everyone. How are you? Hello, hello. Look what I have. We have our Cordoza Christmas Advent box, and it is December 1st, so you know what that means. We get to go live every day in December and open up our Advent boxes. So if you have not got yourself, hey Shelby, if you have not got yourself an Advent box yet and you're having like serious FOMO, don't worry, we packed extra boxes and we have them ready to ship out right now. You can get it, and as soon as it'll take to get from Oregon to wherever you are. So if you need an Advent box, comment sold or go to the website to grab your Advent box. So inside, when you open your Advent box, by the way, look how cute this is. A little birdie told me that we're in the process of having a custom stamping plate made that's in this print with all the icons as well. What do y'all think? You excited? Oh my gosh, I am so stinking excited. Like when I landed the contact to make the stamping plate, I almost had a heart attack. Like I was like, no way, this isn't gonna be, this is no way this is gonna happen. Yeah, we did it. So our stamping plates are currently in production, and we will post them when they are available. So if you want to get a stamping plate that has this print on it, you are in luck. Okay, so I already did the welcome video, but what you'll find is we have our cute little welcome packet. Inside of here is, oh my gosh, there's like so much good stuff in here, but we have candy canes, which, you know, let me just dig in here. As soon as I get my tree up, this is going on it. But we have our limited edition, so this is our second year of doing an ornament. But look how cute this ornament is for your tree. It says, in my Cordoza Christmas era. We posted this on our Instagram just yesterday, but look how cute this is, you guys. In my Cordoza Christmas era. Like, ooh, I'm loving it. I am loving the Cordoza Christmas this year. We went all out. We go all out every year. And then we have this cute little Holly Jolly Nail Tech holographic sticker. You can put it on your nail desk. You can put it on your Stanley. You can put it wherever you want to put it. You can put it on your coffee mug, put it on your laptop, or you can just, you know, whatever you want to do with it. It's yours. And then Profiles Backstage has sent these cute little pasties. So make sure you guys give them a shout out. These are super cute. You can see kind of what they have on there. But that was a bonus gift, you guys. You got more than 25 gifts. So, okay. We have our little insert card. So this says, welcome to the 2023 Nail Tech Advent Box, where the holiday fun begins. Each gift is thoughtfully numbered with its designated opening date, and we ask that you resist the urge to sneak a peek before that special day. So you can scan the QR code to watch the video, the welcome video, and then let the magic of Christmas commence. And then look how cute we made it to match. So the theme of our box is this like little pattern print, and it's so stinking cute. Also, if you get a chocolate bar in your Advent box, that means you won the Bruce Almighty e-file. Like what? We gave away, or Bruce, I should say, not me, Bruce, aka Santa, gave away a Bruce Almighty e-file this year, which is just wild, but we're so excited about that. I can't wait to see who gets the chocolate bar. So I'll post as soon as whoever got the chocolate bar gets it, and lets me know they want it, and then we'll announce it on here. But super excited about that this year. And then also we have swag available. So if you are like totally digging the whole Cordoza Christmas thing, we have on our website, we have ornaments available. We have aprons available. We have socks available. We have coffee mugs available. We have sweatshirts available. Like anything you could possibly imagine, we pretty much have it covered. So if you're like totally in your Cordoza Christmas era, we got you hooked up with all the swag, all the good stuff. So without further ado, let's get to day one. Move my box here out of the way a little bit. Oh shoot. I think I bumped something on the computer. Okay, so we have day one, and day one is, oh shoot. It is oh my gosh. It's a Tracy Vincent Ladybug brush case. This is a $40 value, you guys. Like what? Look at that. Do you see that? $40 value. Tracy Vincent, Team Ladybug, spoiled you big on the first day. Let's show her some love and excitement. So this little QR code will go to Tracy's website, so you guys can show her some love. But this brush case is valued at 40 bucks. Like, that's an amazing gift. Thank you so much, Tracy, for your donation and your support of the Advent box this year. And then look how nice this is, you guys. If you're like having FOMO and you want one, we still have them. So make sure that you get yourself an Advent box, you guys. Look, so this is a very nice brush case. So you have all your different layers, and then there's a middle pocket, which is great for like your silicone tools. You could even put some of like your stamping plates and stuff in here if you want, if you travel. And then look at this, more areas, more spots. And then there's even a zipper pouch on the back, which is just like so nice. And then it zips up and you can carry it with you. Like, it's got a handle. So stinking cute. So that is day one, you guys. That was the brush case from Tracy Vincent. So tomorrow we're going to open day two. And I wonder what day two is going to be. Not really sure, but we're about to find out. So join me tomorrow as we unbox day two of the Cordoza Christmas Advent box. Don't forget to hashtag Cordoza Christmas 2023. All right. Bye, you guys. Don't have too much fun.